No, keep on fighting, give your best shot dahil itong pandemic naman guys ay hindi siya forever. So bless, or kung kayo ay binibless ni Lord, don't brag, be humble. Try to be more positive, don't entertain negativity, and always pray to God. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Parang baligtad. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to every one of you, saan man kayo nanonood dyan. So in today's video guys, I know that you know what I am going to do. It's not new here in our channel, but I just want to welcome every one of you here in my channel, and of course I want to share this moment with you because again, this is my first time to unbox this thing. Alam niyo guys, yung joy na nabibigay ng unboxing, and then when you unbox it and it's like you feel happy, you feel different, and it's not like bragging or what, but it's like it's more on joy that brings you. Tama ba yun? So I know guys that you know what I am going to unbox because nandiyan na yung sa title box sa baba. And let's do this kasi naman para mailatag na din natin yung mga pinagbibili kong item. So this guys is this item is nabili ko lang like magkano ba to? Parang 585 dirhams. So parang nasa, if i-multiply nyo sa by 13, it will be like parang 7,000 plus kanon. So yun, nandun na yung tax, nandun na yung everything, and let's do this, let's unbox it. So yun nga guys, ang i-unbox natin ngayon ay this one. This is the thing that we are gonna be unboxing today. Today is is Monday, December 6, and yun, alam niyo guys, so ito yung ating gunting. So guys, binili ko tong, lagay muna natin yung mic natin here. Binili ko tong refrigerator because para meron akong sariling fridge, and para meron akong sariling space for my food, and hindi na ako kasi here in abroad guys, if you are living in a sharing flat, I know alam niyo ng mga OFW here in UAE, merong isang kusina and merong isang refrigerator, but mostly yung iba ay meron silang sari-sariling fridge, pero pagka ay mahirap pa din kasi minsan puno pa din yung refrigerator. Kaya naman if you want to stock, or kung gusto nyong mag-stock ng sarili nyong pagkain or yung sarili nyong stock or what, medyo mahirap. Ayun, kaya naman I decided, kaya nag-come up ako na bumili ng sarili kong refrigerator. So yan guys, first time yung parang makikita tong aking nilipatan, and I'm so happy because it's I have my own space na din. So yes, let's do this unboxing para naman maka-raos-raos na tayo. So yung binili ko na to guys is 175 liters lamang siya, and ayun, 175 liters, 2-door siya, pero hindi to yung automatic na nagde-defrost kung sakali or kung gusto kung ano, unlike yung ibang unlike yung ibang refrigerator na nagde-defrost siya by itself, pero ito hindi po. Ayan, so sabi ng mama guys, mas maganda daw tong fridge na to kasi yung provider nila is malaking company din, and kapag kunyari nasira or nagkaroon ng problem, mas madali daw tawagan or madaling i-call out sila, unlike sa ibang brand na pagka nasira parang aabutin pa ng weeks or months bago nila magawa. So kaya ito yung binili ko. So this one guys is Aftron. Ang model niya is AFR 180HS, and yeah, it's good because it's 2-door. Pero yun nga lang, ang downside niya is hindi siya nagde-defrost mag-isa. So kapag marami na siyang yellow or marami na siyang ice dito sa fridge, yun, kailangan nyo na siyang linisin by your own. Wala nang laman sa loob kung hindi. Ayan na lang yung laman sa loob. Ayan na lang guys, ayan na lang yung laman sa loob. Gusto nyo lumaman ako dito or pumasok ako dito sa loob. So yun, tabi muna natin. So ito yung mga laman niya. O diba? Ano siya? Ang tawag yun? Ang tawag yun? Styrofoam? Is it styrofoam? Anyways, yeah. Let's remove the plastic. Yun yung ating frigidaire. So ganito lang siya. Ganito lang yung wala. Ganito lang kababa, hanggang dibdib ko lang guys. And yeah, ito yung loob. You will see what's inside. Okay, so meron pa siyang tape. So pagka-deliver pala nito kanina guys, hindi ko muna siya binuksan kasi ang sabi nung pinagbilan ko, kapag ka-deliver siya, wag mo munang buksan for at least parang mga 1 hour, then after 1 hour siya mo siya buksan. So syempre mabait tayo, I followed. Hindi, kasi possible kasi na baka mamaya masira yung fridge kapag kasi parang yung siguro natagtag tapos yung prion, hindi ko alam. I'm just saying it. Naririnig ko lang yun sa aking nanay ko dati. Pero hindi ako sure doon. I'm not so sure about that. Guys, mapayat na ba ako? 19 already. So yun, tingnan nyo yung loob guys. Diba? Oh, nice. Hindi ko itatapon yung box guys kasi pwede kong ilagay yun sa ilalim ng bed ko. So, hindi masisira yung foam sa ilalim ng bed frame natin. Yeah. So, yun. So, itutur ko kayo sa ref pero wala pa siyang laman. Wala pang laman yung ating refrigerator. Pero itutur ko kayo. Nakakatuwa guys kasi meron na tayong fridge. Meron na akong sariling refrigerator. Yan, kahit kasi dito sa ibang bansa guys, hindi mo naman kailangan ng malaking fridge. Ang kailangan mo lang is enough space for your food para hindi siya mapanis or lalo na kung meron kayong personal space din. So, it's nice din naman na magkaroon ka ng sariling fridge talaga. So, yun. So, ganito yung binili kong refrigerator kasi nga, it's enough for me. I'm only one here. Minsan lang naman pumunta yung aking kapatid dito sa Abu Dhabi. Kaya naman, yeah, this is what I bought. Yes, so I love this color, guys, so much. So, ito yung loob niya. Meron siyang compartment. It's enough for me. This is the fridge. Ang sabi nila, it's nice din kasi if you want to defrost, guys, yung inyong refrigerator, ipatayin nyo lang yung patayin nyo lang or ibawasan nyo lang to, i-adjust nyo lang siya. Yung temperature, ayun, maano na siya. Magiging maayos na siya. Nandun to sa loob. So, meron siyang lagayan ng egg. So, meron siyang lagayan ng egg. Yan. 6 na piraso lang. And meron din siyang pang ice cube. Panggawa ng ice cube. And this is the most important. Yung susi. Yes, there's a key. Meron siyang susi ng rep. Diba? Kung gusto mo mag-diet or ayaw mong kumain, isusi mo yung fridge nyo, tapos itapon mo. Tapos after that, wala ka ng pagkain. Bibili ka na naman. Kasi nga, hindi mo makita yung sushi. So, paano na yun? So, I will tour you guys inside. Wait lang. So guys, I'm back. I am back. Yes, I'm back for you guys. So now I'm gonna tour you inside the refrigerator. Yeah, so papasok tayo sa loob ng fridge, guys. So, ayan. Yan po yung ating refrigerator. So, wait lang. So, here we have compartment. Yeah. Kasyang-kasya na to sa ating sa ating mga frozen or sa ating mga food like yung mga hot dog and everything. Yes, yun nga lang, wala siyang lagayan dito. Sa fridge na to, wala siyang lagayan dyan. And then, here sa baba, ayan yung niya. Ayan naman yung compartment niya. Meron tayong dalawa dito. Yeah. Na ganito. So, pwede mo siyang alisin. Alisin natin itong mga tape, guys. Nice tong tape na to. Kikip ko nga. Diba? Ayan. So anyways guys, yun lang siya. Wala naman siyang something na anyways, mamaya ko naalisin. So guys, yun lang yung ating fridge. Yun lang yung ating unboxing. So I hope you guys like it. And I hope guys na kayo din like it. Ako kasi I'm filming it because I enjoy it and gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung joy na nararamdaman ko because you fulfill another thing and I want you guys I want to inspire every one of you na to do things na gusto nyo and also this is part of adulting. That's why I'm very happy na na-accomplish ko yung mga bagay na to because ito yung mga bagay na hindi natin nagagawa before. Kaya naman we are so happy kapag naman na-accomplish natin yung mga bagay-bagay na ito. Guys, so thank you guys so much for watching my video, and if you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribe on my YouTube channel, dito ba yan? Or dito? Yan. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, kindly please do consider subscribe on my YouTube channel. And also, click the notification bell para naman you'll be notified once I uploaded new video like this one. So, yan guys, this is my fridge. Hey! So, meron na tayong sariling fridge, guys. I'm so happy. Yan lang. I'm so happy, guys. Walang paglagyan ng aking kasiyahan. So, yun na nga, guys. That's it for today, and that is our unboxing for today. So guys, yun, I just want to share this moment with you because this is once in a lifetime. Although kapag pwede ka naman bumili ulit, but the first time, guys, pagka yung lahat ng first time natin is we want it to be unforgettable. So that's why I am filming it, guys, and sharing it with you. And of course, I know, guys, you feel me because when you is it also considered as my achievement because nakabili ako ng ganito on my own. Maybe this is achievement. All the things that I've done is achievement, and I cannot do this alone because everything that I'm doing is because of God. God is always here to guide me, and guys, kung wala naman si Lord, hindi naman ako makakabili ng mga bagay na gusto ko, or hindi naman ako makakapagbigay sa mga mahal ko sa buhay ng mga bagay na gusto nila or ng mga bagay na gusto ko. Like that. I don't know, guys. I'm not bragging or what, but when you give you give to your loved ones, like your relative, it's like it's a fulfilling and nakakatuwa sa heart. And also, lalo na kung nagagawa or nabibili mo din yung mga bagay na gusto mo. And, kapag binibless tayo ni Lord, kapag God is blessing you, or binibigay niya, or pinaparanas na sa'yo yung mga hindi mo nararanasan dati, parang it's really humbling, and mas magiging humble ka pa. Kasi you want it to be you want to experience more. And nakakatuwa kasi nakakatuwa, basta I don't know the feeling, basta I'm just happy, and I really wanted to be also a blessing to everyone. And also I wanted also to be nice person because God is blessing me and giving me all the things that I need. That's why I wanted to be good. I wanted to be I'm not perfect, but I always tried to be a good person, a good human being, may ganon. So yun, guys, if you are blessed, or kung kayo ay bine-bless ni Lord, don't brag, be humble, and just maging mabuti kayo palalo, dahil pag tayo ay naging mas mabuting tao, tayo ay mas i-bless ni Lord. So yun, para sa mga kabataan, guys, para sa mga kabataan ngayon na nahihirapan mag-aral or nahihirapan sa sitwasyon ngayon, hi guys, tiisin nyo lang yan because God is always there. God is always looking at us, and hindi niya tayo pinababayaan or hindi niya ibibigay yung isang bagay na hindi alam niyang hindi natin kaya. That's why binibigyan niya tayo ng mga problems or ng mga because He knows that we can surpass, or we can conquer all of it. So yeah, fight, keep on fighting, give your best shot, dahil itong pandemic naman guys ay hindi siya forever. So try to be more positive, don't entertain negativity, and always pray to God. And yung mga negatrons or mga negativity sa paligid is wag niyong papansinin, because I know that you can, nakaya nga ng lahat, 'di ba? So paano pa kayo? Nakaya nga namin. So yun, sabihin ko na nakaya namin na makatapos. And dumaan din kami sa mga luhaan days because of pag-aaral. And ayun, that's why always remember na kapag nanghihina kayo or napapagod kayo, always remember na kaya nyo because nakaya ng iba. So yun guys, bye bye, hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. So bye. So this precious achievement to me. Yeah. Whatever you say, I don't care. So yun, I'm so happy, but I'm not bragging guys. Yun, I just want to share this with you. This is my this is my tawag dito. Basta. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye. Teka, kuba ako doon. Ayan, ulit. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Wisit. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you.